Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson and this is my daughter Elena Dyson. And today we have been requested to unbox this together. It is the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. My friend and subscriber Samantha sent me this box and she requested me to open it with my squishy and do a video on it. So I'm really happy. I have no Jeffree Star Cosmetics makeup in my collection at all, so all of this is going to be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, Samantha, for getting me this box. I always miss out on these, and I hope next time around I can get one of the big boxes for myself or any of it for myself and not miss out on it again. But yeah, let's get on to the unboxing. So I am going to let Elena pull out the stuff. I'm trying not to show her address. Alright, so when I first open it, it looks like this.
It looks green.
And Elena is going to pick it out.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this big green chumpy. I said chumpy. What the heck? Anyways. Okay. Okay. Oh, what is that? Let me see.
It's the mini Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Or I'll open the package.
Okay.
So I have to say, I did watch a few videos, so I knew this was going to be in there because everybody was getting it. But here it is. Ain't it pretty?
Mhm. It looks
And
like this, but different.
You ready to see what it looks like on the inside?
Oh, it's glary. I like the golden the most. I like this one the most.
That's pretty. A lot of purples and pinks.
Mhm.
Smells like makeup. Here's a close up.
Smell it. I want to smell
It
it.
just smells like makeup. It's very pretty though. I really like the Orange Crush. I think the Orange Crush shadow is the most unique one that intrigues me the most. And Elena says she likes the slice color, the gold color. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. I think it's supposed to be 4 products.
Alright, we got a lipstick thingy. If it's a lipstick, this thingy.
So this is the Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color First Class. There it is. And here is the color.
Is this a lipstick?
Mhm.
Okay.
You can also use it as eyeliner if you use an eyeliner brush. Whoa. That's really gold.
Oh yeah. Anyways.
There's a mirror if you want to play with it. I'll open the next thing.
No.
Oh, go ahead, play with it.
Wow. Wow.
What does it say?
I can't read. Liquid lipstick.
It is the Velour Liquid Lipstick, and this is color Soul Sucker.
Soul sucker. Oh, I just spit.
So that's what the package looks like. And there it is.
How my lips doing?
And here is the color.
Blackish, goldish, something. Let me try it. No, what?
You got the gold on. Oh gosh. I think this would be better as a topper.
Yeah. It's like glittery.
Mm-hmm.
Black with a little bit of gold in it. I really like this one. I want it. Mommy, can I have it?
Mm-mm.
Why not? Let me use that mirror. Let me use that mirror.
It's my mirror.
It's my mirror now.
Get your ball out of my face.
That's inappropriate.
You're inappropriate.
Get the monetize. I heard that from
FGTV?
No. At FDTV. If you're watching this, yep, I said your name right.
That's pretty. I like it. Too bad I didn't open this yesterday.
You got it in the mail yesterday.
I did, but I didn't pick it up.
So he's gonna be like, girl, you golden. I want that lipstick.
I like this. I like that. You can use these as eyeliner. They're eye safe, so you can use them as eyeliners, just with a different brush. Yeah. All right. We should have one more thing.
Let me open it and take it out. This is a lip something something.
It is a lip ammunition in the color
brown sugar. Let me open it, please.
brown sugar.
Oh, sugar. Dang it.
You want me to open it?
Okay, I got it. I just ruined your...
It's okay. I don't keep them in a way.
Okay.
That's pretty, ain't it? It looks like a bullet.
Anyways, how do you open this? Oh.
Don't. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay. What? Yeah.
It kind of looks like that one. Just you're just gonna mix the colors, okay?
Yeah.
Why don't you swatch it since
Well,
you already
it's
got
like the
lipstick
same
on?
thing. It's the same thing.
It's a little bit different. It looks browner, right?
Maybe.
Maybe.
No, it looks the same. But I guess if you're a liquid lip person, you would like this.
Put your lips up to my.
That one's kind of darker, but I don't know.
Take your lipstick off.
Okay.
Or take it. Do like half your lips. Take it off.
My bottom lip is
You want me to
bigger.
do it? I meant like half. Like half.
Whoop. Too late. Get it off. Okay. Oh, my teeth.
I wrote it back up.
Oh, wait, what is wrong with this lipstick? Didn't come on very good.
I think that's something you can put on top of lipstick more. Sit down. Let me do it. Yeah, it's a little bit more sheer, I think. It's still pretty. You can put it on top of any lipstick to make it look goldish. Looks good on your regular lips. Let's see what it does on the black.
Wow.
Makes it golder. Woo!
I feel good.
Mm-hmm.
rocket girl. Get it? Cause it's like a. Oh, yeah. It's a bullet.
That's pretty.
If it's a bullet, is it appropriate for YouTube? Cause guns and stuff.
Do you want to swatch the palette?
Yeah, girl.
Pull up your sleeve. You know how like they do it? This is how we do it. Dun, 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 dun,
Oh, okay. Weirdo.
What color is that?
What is that?
Double scoop.
I don't think I'm gonna do it on the other one because I already
That's pretty. This is Orange Crush.
The other one was double.
Make sure you're using different fingers.
What is Cindy watching?
Ah.
Ooh.
Pretty.
And,
And foreplay. You know what that means?
no, forehead play.
Forehead play. It means like when mommy and daddy want to get like costumes out and be sexy from one another. What was that? Oral. I can't even say that word.
One of the.
Oh my gosh, I can't pronounce it, but I know what I'm trying to say. That word, we're out there. Oral. Oh my gosh. Oral.
It looks glitter when you're in real life.
What do you think that word means?
On a screen.
What do you think that word means?
I don't know.
It means mouth, like your mouth.
Oh.
Like when you take pills or something, you take it orally. I can't pronounce it, but that's pretty. Did you show them?
Yeah, I already showed
That's pretty. It's like purple, but looks like it has like a bluish shift to it. It's really pretty. I like that one.
Now, purple punch. I'm going to punch you with purple.
Yep, purple punch. Wow. That does pack a punch, don't it? If you need to wipe off your fingers, do it. No, I mean like your fingers that you're swatching with.
Oh. Yeah.
Now your favorite color? Slice.
Slicing your face and dicing.
I'm going to see it.
It looks better in real life.
I'm going to swatch that one. Ooh. That was pretty.
On screen, this one looks like a darker version of this one.
But it's glittery. The other one was matte. What's this?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum?
It does look like bubble gum though. Oh, it's running down my arm.
You need to pull up your sleeve. Ooh, that was pretty.
Yep. Right there.
I want to swatch that one a little bit.
Ooh.
That one looks like it's going to be a good buildable color. That's pretty. Now, what's that called?
Bite me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tastes like a bunch of glitter. I'm going to do it on the other one. I got a good one.
Ooh, whoa. That's pretty. Okay.
It comes on easily.
It goes on real easy.
Yeah.
What's the next one called?
Hot fudge. I don't know why I said it like that, but okay.
Hot fudge.
Hot fudge. Give me some of that. There you go, camera. Now we have all that. Why?
I keep sniffing it.
Why do you want to sniff it?
Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much, Samantha, for sending us all these goodies. We really enjoyed them and loved playing with it. Just to recap, we got the mini Jawbreaker palette, and then we got 2 of the velour liquid lipsticks, and this one is Soul Sucker, and what was that called? First Class. Then we also got the lip ammunition in brown sugar. So this was absolutely good. I loved it. What do you think about Jeffree Star's products?
I think I like this one the most of all of them.
Even the eyeshadow palette?
Yeah.
I love the eyeshadow palette the most. But I really do love the colors. And I love all of it, but I'm an eyeshadow girl. So I guess she's more of a lip girl. Thank you so much, Samantha, for sending me this and letting us have so much fun trying it out and making this video. To everybody out there that's watching, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!